Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
For a reliable 1-egg omelet, gather 1 egg, 1 tablespoon milk, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, 1 tablespoon grated cheese or 1 teaspoon chopped chives. Crack the egg into a small bowl, add the milk and spices, and whisk vigorously for about 15 seconds until slightly frothy. This introduces air for a tender texture. Preheat an 8-inch non-stick skillet over medium-low heat and melt 1 teaspoon butter until it foams but does not brown. Pour the whisked egg into the preheated pan and let it set undisturbed for 30 to 45 seconds on medium-low heat so the bottom forms without browning. Use a silicone spatula to tilt the pan and gently push the cooked edges toward the center, allowing uncooked egg to flow to the pan surface. Repeat once or twice for even cooking. When the top is just moist but not runny and the bottom is golden, fold the omelet in half with the spatula and slide it onto a plate to stop cooking. For quick variations, sprinkle 1 tablespoon grated cheese or 1 teaspoon chopped chives onto the omelet when the top is slightly wet, then fold to melt and blend flavors. If you prefer fillings like a small spoon of sautéed mushroom or diced tomato, add no more than 1 tablespoon total to avoid sogginess and extend cook time. Rest the omelet for 30 seconds on the plate to finish cooking gently. Then serve the single-egg omelet with 1 slice of toast or a small salad for a balanced quick meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.